Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
An innie or an outie, belly button shapes have a lucky meaning in Hakka culture and bring good fortune to children. Maybe that's why Miali's delicious duchi or belly button cakes rival even the best tasting sun cakes because everyone wants to be lucky. During the Japanese colonial period, many Japanese technicians at Miali's sugar factory longed for wagashi, a sweet traditional Japanese confection made from red beans, mochi, or fruit. Some workers and local residents teamed up to create something that resembled wagashi, but due to a lack of ingredients at the time, Hakka people used sweet potatoes and green beans. Today, the delicious duchi cake is a staple dessert in Hakka cuisine.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello 大家好，我係Lim Zep Siu Joseph Lin, and with Leo we're gonna bring more Hakka culture on the air. Maybe we'll learn about another person, maybe about another dish, or another place. 今天人事物要带哪一个？
我们带到地方的特产好了。
哦，那更好，又可以去一个地方，又可以吃。
对对对，这是一定要的。
All right, we're gonna take you to a township apparently, but we're gonna bring you and introduce a dish or some food item. 到底是什么东西？
我就介绍我在小时候最喜欢吃的一项甜点。
那就难道不成我们要去苗栗了？
当然了，去我的故乡嘛。
Let's first take you to Miaoli, where Leo grew up. And what's popular there? 有什么东西那里面让你有儿时的回忆
啊？那项东西哦，它叫做肚脐饼。
肚脐饼，肚脐饼饼给饼，
不是，是肚脐饼。
哦，肚脐饼。This is a very interesting, I guess, cake that we're going to introduce to you from the Hakka culture, and literally, it's the belly button cake. 里面是包什么东西
它主要就是绿豆，但现在因为要迎合大家的口味啊，
是，
所以里面可能有抹茶的啦，有草莓的啦，有各种不同的口味啦。
对，水蜜桃啦。
水蜜桃我倒没吃过，咖啡我倒吃过。
But you're right, there's a lot of new developed tastes today, including like green tea or maybe coffee. But traditionally, when you eat the belly button cake, it's filled with green bean, and it's one of my favorite ingredients. 顺便教大家绿豆怎么说？
绿豆味。
绿豆味。I'm sure it's available island-wide now, but go to Miaoli, check out the belly button cake. 肚脐饼。
肚脐饼。
肚脐饼。And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.